Here we have PRTA Prothena Corporation, a company in the biotechnology healthcare sector, and here we have this primary trend line here off the COVID crash lows with multiple and continuous reaction lows and a solid and or 2 hour, 1 hour breakdown below that pinpointed target of that 2407 price support off that primary trend line. In my opinion, would initiate a sell signal and a potential breakdown with negative and bearish divergences that have just continuously established themselves since June of 2021 that only remain to become ever larger in the negative divergence, and already crackdowns and breakdowns right below the zero lines on the MACD and oscillator, with already both continuous crossovers. And we've already had the 50-day puncture the 200-day in a death cross pattern, and again huge air pockets down below and a huge backfill of a gap from a 2018 crash there. So it'd be a huge backfill, that even off the 2143 would be an 8% drop down to 1767 for a 21% drop, and you're talking about a complete backfill of the gap down to that 1189 for a 47% crash. And here we have this head and shoulder pattern. So we'll see how this reacts, but again, you have to respect the positive and or bullish divergences that are in the near term here on multiple indicators. Potential. We do already have a little bit of some RSI divergence, but if a breakdown were to loom and we do crack and take out that 2143 with the authority, then you will have any owned or bullish positive divergences completely burned out, and that's where there would come with a potential breakdown that could result in extreme volatility if met. So just wanted to keep an eye on and wait for and or a sell signal. And if you're bullish on the stock, hey, this is where you take your position right here, right now, and set some stops below that 2407 and go for the next leg up. Maybe first target right here on the backfill of the gap for 50% gains there. So again, we'll see how this plays out, and I'll keep you updated if any significant development occurs here on Prothena. Hit that like and subscribe button.